Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you and your family is safe and you're taking care of your health. Uh, there was one thought which was constantly going on my mind for a very long time, and that we have got a lot of time during this COVID situation to think about ourselves, something which we always wanted to do, something where we wanted to upgrade ourselves in our career. And it's very interesting that how many people are now trying to invest into certain education and courses which they think that can help them level up in their careers. uh, I'm one person who keeps on educating myself and investing into various type of courses, and I thought I should come up with a framework which can help you decide the right course to take for yourself, and here it is for you. So I thought, let me try and help my friends and family as much as I can, so that they can get the most benefits about their investments. So the first thing is that whenever you're taking up a course, ask yourself, is it your passion? Because if it is your passion, then the level of interest which will be there for the entire duration of the course will be much higher. And if it is your passion, please go for it, because make hay while the sun shines. And this is something which you may have kept under the blanket for a very long time, but now it's time to revive your passion back into your life, and you would want to do it for your own happiness. If it is not your passion, then please move on to the question number one, which is linked to another objective. The first objective was if it is your passion. The second objective is you're doing this for the growth in your career. And if you are doing it for the growth in your career, then still you have to answer two questions for yourself. The first one is that, is it going with your natural abilities? When I talk about natural abilities, it could be something about talking, speaking courses you can take up. If you're good at writing, you can take up copywriting skills, you can take up creative writing skills. If you're good in drawing, painting, you can take up doodling as one of the initiatives. And if you're really good in technical abilities, maybe you would want to take up some technical courses. And if it is going with your natural abilities, move on to the question number two. And if it is not, please drop it, because if you're not taking up courses which does not go in alliance with your natural abilities, the chances of paying that course well reduces to a higher level. And also, you may not be interested in doing that course. I have seen many people quitting the courses even after paying the entire amount of fee, or maybe it may just add a certificate to you and may not add any value to your career, to your professional or personal life. Alright, so moving to the question number two, here what I want to ask is that, will you be able to apply your learnings to your current job profile? If you will be able to apply your learnings into your current job profile, that will make sure that you are using all the tools which you have learned, and you will understand the applicability of it. If you are not able to use it in the current job profile, please drop it, because there have been cases where I have taken up courses which I was using in my current job profile and it did very well for me, while there have been cases where I have taken courses and I could not use in my current job profile and that did not pay well for me. However, whenever you take up a course, you learn something, but if you want to master that art and if you want to take it up as a career option and move on into your life, that may not be a good idea. So I hope this video helps you a lot, and let me know if you need any help on me suggesting you the right courses. I'll be very happy to do so. And when it comes to, but please ensure that whenever you are taking up a course, try and understand the kind of commitment it takes, and please be committed to whatever you invest into. That is all what I wanted to share with all my friends, and I hope this video adds a lot of value to you in your life. And let me know if you have any queries or any comments. I'll be looking forward for your suggestions. Thank you so much.